Hi, my name is Mary. All About Cats is about our kitty Tiger and written by John Cappleman. 200 stories you can find on Google at Cappleman underscore 45779 /X. Cat, a sneeze, 54. I did not mean to sneeze on you. Oh goodness, was that your face? But kitties are a sensitive kind. Our nose smells everything. So clean my litter box. But skip a bath or two. My favorite smell is you and you, but Mama smells the best.